akan dikabdi don artili ki requirement awi navanta kan North Eastern Council requirement ajar apply bar ke National Law University of Meghalaya tesawon page akan ka video hadu bandakut nang bapin sucu ba Kamlat namta kan North Eastern Council requirement ajar apply kan North Eastern Council ka court application namta ka post under secretary but research officer job location kate Shillong Meghalaya application process kade offline cluster ban submit ya ki application form kalong arteri region ajar apply kateng post but ki vacancy under secretary kalong si post research officer kalong si post kadang pulek candidate kita ikut ya kan degree master degree na kano ke recognized sport lan university under secretary master degree research officer kadai degree sorry junior under secretary kalong spoja do lai kunajar shipnai research officer praja hadu lai kunajar sispa shipnai catch limit katkum kan North Eastern Council requirement non-fiction ki candidate kita bundan karta ka arpo hadu sanbundusnam karta Kuno apply namta kan North Eastern Council requirement under secretary by research officer job. Candidate ki buton kemon baran boleh kila apply lamba ka prescribed application form. Applicant ki on kampan pa ya ki applicant decision form kumju bar kiriban comment show deputy secretary admin. Bar kumjuru namta kan National Law University of Meghalaya. Record online application namta ka post jongka associate Profesor Junior Administrative Cluster ban submit ya ki application form kalong kasantai ume ajar apply total post kalong sanpu post job location kate Shillong Meghalaya katengi post patki post associate professor san post assistant professor kanai post assistant librarian officer shi post assistant director shi post deputy registrar shi post assistant registrar sau post medical officer suppose counselor suppose system analyst post executive assistant suppose senior administrative assistant suppose assistant accounts officer suppose junior administrative assistant new post driver post multitasking post ka educational qualification ki candidate kita kipadap ya ka class 10 ICI class 12 degree BBA, BE, BTech, MSc, MCA, MBA, MA, MPhil, PhD, nakano ke recognized sport lane university. Age limit ki candidate kita bandon karta kabakat pra hadu safasnem karta. Kuno ban apply ki candidate ki ban kemon berkan pule ki la ban apply online ha ke NLU Meghalaya official website Meghalaya High Court nic.in stang naduk kasau April aduk santai ume ajar apply. Resibon.